Hello and welcome to Learning Brand. In this tutorial I will explain what is a candlestick and how it works. And this is a very crucial step to take before you can go more deeper into candlestick. So you really need to understand how a candlestick works. We have usually two different kind of candlestick. One that is usually represented as a white color or green, and this is when the price go up. The second one is when the candlestick is black or red, and this represent the price going down. So we call when the price go up, we call it a bullish market. When the price go down, we call it a bearish market. So we have something called lower shadow, low, open, close, high, upper shadow, and the real body. So let's look at paint and try to explain what this means. So this means that the price opened here and it opened at $10. However, during the trading session, it went down here, which is representing $9. But before it went down to $9, or after it went down to $9, so yeah, we don't know. It could be after or after it went up here or before it went up here, but it went up. It went down to $9 during the trading session, and it also went up to the high point here, which is $12. However, when it came to $12, it did not close at this price. It closed at this level, and this level is $11. Ooh, let's see if we can move it like a bit. Yeah, this is $11. So basically, the price opened at $10. It went down to $9. It went up to $12, but it closed at $11. And this is a profit in price. This is $1 profit. So the part upper shadow is between the closing price and the highest price it went during this trading session. The same is with lower shadow. It is between the opening price and how low it went during the trading. And the real body is between the opening price and closing price. So if you look at the other candlestick that represent a fall in price, let's change color. Bum bum bum. It opened at $11. It also went up to $12. So wow, it's going up in price. This is the highest level it came during this trading session. However, during this trading session, it also fell down to $9. But before it closed, it went up to $10. So the price opened at $11, had its highest point at $12, had its lowest point at $9, but closed at $10. So this represents a loss in money, $1 loss per stock or per share. And the real body is between the opening price and closing price. The upper shadow is between the opening price and the highest level the price went to. And the lower shadow is between the closing price and the lowest level it went down to. So this is basically how a candlestick works. This is the core concept of a candlestick. So you really have to understand this concept to be able to continue and going deeper into a candlestick. Thank you for watching and see you in at the next tutorial.